Hello guys, today I have a easy Leetcode problem for you. So we are given a string s that only contains brackets and we have to determine if the given input is a valid string. The input is valid only if all the open brackets are closed by the same type of brackets and all the brackets are closed in order. Here are some examples. So if you think you can solve this problem, feel free to give a try. Otherwise, I'll tell you the procedure and dive into the code. Okay, let's see how it's done. Let's take example 5. We are gonna have to loop through each and every character, and when we encounter a opening bracket, we need to push it in a stack or in JavaScript array and continue looping. And when we encounter a closing bracket, we need to make sure the closing bracket pairs with the last pushed opening bracket in the stack. If it matches, then we can continue, otherwise we'll return false. And after the loop is done, we need to check if the stack is empty or all the brackets are closed. If it is, we can return true, otherwise we'll return false. Okay, now let's jump into the code. First, we'll define the matching opening bracket for the closing brackets. It will help us later on. And we'll also define a stack called open parens for open parenthesis. And now we have to loop through each and every character of string s, which we can do with the for of loop. So let's say for let c of s, c for character, and we need to check if we have encountered a opening bracket, which we can do in something like this. If we do encounter a opening bracket, we need to push it in the stack. So let's say open parents dot push and the current character, which is c, and we can continue. Let's copy this block of code and paste it for the closing parenthesis. If we encounter a closing bracket, we need to make sure the closing bracket pairs with the opening bracket last pushed in the stack. So we are gonna say if matches, get the opening bracket for the current closing bracket, and if it is not equals to the last open bracket pushed in the stack. The pop function will give us the last element of the stack, also pop it off from the stack. Okay, so if it doesn't match, we can just return false because it is an invalid string. At the end, we are gonna return true if the length of the stack is 0, or in other words, all the open brackets are closed, else we'll return false. Let's quickly run the code to check if we have any error or not. And it looks like we don't have any error, so we can submit the code. And we have passed all the tests successfully. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you like it. Do subscribe. Thank you.